Hey y'all, Rebecca Davis with Remax Select. Today we're going to tour 18293 Monga. Equipped with its own boat launch, this 3-bedroom, 3-bath home is on an oversized lot that's only minutes away from the Tchefuncte River. The entire first floor of the home has been redone in this beautiful wood tile. This kitchen gets so much natural light. The countertops have been updated, as well as the appliances and the lighting. Also on the main floor is the first full bath and first guest bedroom. The master bedroom is located on the second floor. It has its own fireplace, its own covered balcony, which we'll check out in just a second, and is big enough for you to put any furniture you could ever imagine. The master bathroom is really big as well. It's got double sinks, a large shower, and a separate tub with natural light. It also has a little private office set just off the bathroom. I almost forgot to mention the large closet located in the master bedroom. This is the second covered balcony that's located just off the master bedroom. It's overlooking the water and is perfect for that morning coffee and quiet time. Across the hall on the second floor is the third bedroom. It's also adjacent to its own full bath. The additional room that connects to the third bedroom is perfect for the playroom you've been looking for. The exterior of this home was made for entertaining. Whether you're hanging out in the shade underneath this covered porch or hanging out in the sun on the deck right there overlooking the water. No matter where you are, it's a scene of beauty. There's a million reasons why this home is easy to love, but you should come and check it out for yourself. Give me a call if you want to schedule a showing, and thank you for taking this tour with me today.